Hello, I'm not going to keep you long today. Now, if you're a regular to the show, you always see me using ginger garlic paste. So I thought I'd make some. I've made it before some years ago, but here's a little refresher. So what it basically is garlic and ginger. Let's get rid of those two. You can see that I've peeled the ginger and peeled the garlic. Equal amount, so I've got about 3 cups there, and there's about 150 ml of oil I'm using there, sunflower oil. You could use a different oil if you want. That's it. Basically, we're going to get that into a food processor, whiz it up, off we go. So here's my food processor, that sort of blade I'm going for. Very simple. Let's get the garlic in, let's get the ginger in, and then you just need a bit of oil in there to help it on its way. Like I say, for those 3 cups, I'm using about 150 ml of an oil. You can put a lot more oil in or less if you want. Lid goes on, whiz it for about 60, 70 seconds. "60 seconds or so in my machine. This is quite a tasty machine though, but you want to get it to kind of that consistency. I mean, you can do it much finer if you want, but I like it just there. Beautiful stuff. Okay, and there you have it. Look, job done. So if you're a regular, like I say, you're going to see me using this all the time. Fabulous in all types of curries and stuff. So get that in a container, plastic container in the fridge. I'm going to tell you that it lasts for blah, blah, blah long, but I don't actually know because that will be gone in a week, 10 days in our house. So we just make it all the time, but it might last maybe 2 weeks, maybe something like that, but I don't actually know. Anyway, that is ginger garlic paste. See you later. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.